Star Tours 1401, you are cleared for departure. Initiate takeoff sequence.
What? Auto takeoff sequence initiated.
R2-D2, what's going on here? We are not ready for takeoff. The captain isn't on board yet. You know I can't fly this thing. No, neither can you. We need a proper pilot.
Attention. All transports hold for security clearance.
Stormtroopers will be deactivated for sure.
That's awesome.
Hold it right there, Captain.
I'm not actually the captain.
We're looking for this rebel spy. Have you seen her?
No one on this transport could possibly be a spy. Dear.
This is the speeder we're looking for. Blast them.
Can you answer our part two? Where are we going? This is madness! Don't you dare make the jump to light speed! Arthur, I don't like the look of this. Just got worse!
Star Tours, what are you doing here?
How's that go?
Well, stay low.
Why?
It confuses their tracking. Put your shields up.
Let's fit.
They work.
Oh, that's cool.
This is no time for heroics.
What?
Thank the maker.
What's that guy doing?
Put that back this instant. Let's go! The transmission. BB-8.
Oh,
Mission? What mission? He says he has vital information to deliver and needs our help. Well, we're not going on any mission. It's bound to be dangerous. R2, we're not going. Good luck. Wait! Where are we going?
Incoming vessel. Identify yourself.
Naboo.
Destroyed?
Close down to the red light. You'll be safe here.
Thank the maker. Hey, R2, send out a distress signal. No. Look out, R2. We didn't get that, Gungan.
Star Tours, follow the ship. It's gonna lead you through the planet's core.
Any help would be appreciated.
We are picking up some strange readings. Stay close.
Oh dear!
We are under attack. Oh, good luck, Star Tours. You are on your own now.
On our own? Do something! And I thought I hated space travel. Brakes! Brakes! Where are the brakes? Oh, thank goodness! Oh dear. I'm terribly sorry about that. Come back here this instant and clean that up. We hope you enjoyed your flight, and we look forward to seeing you again soon. Goodbye.
That was awesome.
I made it through the whole
Please
ride.
remain seated until the captain has opened the exit doors.
That was cool.
You may then unlatch your safety restraints by pressing the release button on your left. Make sure you have all your personal belongings as you exit. Thank you for flying Star.